Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I'm sorry, I'm a little later than I had planned. I was just on a live Zoom call and then I had to get ready, but I am here now. So when you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. And if you're on the replay, hashtag replay. So today we are going to be using this board. Sorry, the husband is home and helping me try and not go blind. And one of our blinds is down. And that's right where the sun is right now. So we're going to do it on that board. I have my squeegees. And I decided that I was going to do it in red and yellow. So our candy apple red and our bumblebee yellow. And we are going to do Love Knows No Boundaries. The one thing I forgot to do was put my links in the description, but check out Telly's Talking Chalk here on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and tellystalkingchalk.ca for my website, where you will see all of my finished projects and the link to the business website. If you would like to know more about Chalk Couture, hashtag info. If you would like to know about our Club Couture, which is our subscription box, please hashtag club in the comments. When you're jumping on, please say hi. Let me know where you're coming in from. As I said. So now I'm just going to fuzz this. You just pick up a little bit of lint, just so that it doesn't stick on our surface too much. It is a reusable transfer 8 to 12 times. That is why it is so sticky, but we do not want it too sticky that it will not come off of our surface. I think I need to do this a couple more times because it still is really If you know anybody that is looking to do art as a hobby or as a business, send them my way. I would love to speak to them. So I'm just going to line this up on here as best as I can. Again, making sure that there's no bubbles. Flatten it out. That's perfect. Thank you. Flatten that out for me. All nice. Now I'm thinking the love and no I'm going to do in red. And the nose and the boundaries I'm going to do in yellow. I hope everybody is doing well. Let me know in the chat. So we just take a little bit. We make sure that it's nice and creamy. Just like that. And now we're just going to pull it on through. Whatever the green part is, it will not go through to the surface. Just where the silk screen transfer is. And we just pull it on through. How are you doing today? I see we have some people jumping on. I met some awesome people today, so if you're one of them, say hello. Oh, I didn't know you were on, because normally when I ask if you are the one on, you're like, no,
well,
not me.
Today, because you don't have your iPad, so I'm going to read the comments.
Oh, okay, cool. I did not know. I can read the comments from here, though.
Okay. Okay, well,
if there are comments,
I
but there
thought-
haven't been yet. So.
I know, but I thought it would be.
Yeah, no, that's awesome. Thank you. So I did the lug part, scraping all the excess off of my surface. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that up because I don't want it to dry in the transfer. And maybe I'm not. Okay. So it is super sticky, so I did not probably fuzz this enough. Even though you saw me do it like 4 or 5 times. That's okay. What we want to do is we want to make sure that we pull from the middle and pull evenly so that we do not stretch the transfer. I did get a little bit on the O, which I didn't mean to, but that's okay. You know what? Could do an ombre effect. You know what? I think that's what I'm going to do. Low nose. Let me think. Can I do that? Will it look good? Let's try it. Because I am only using paste, it is washable off of this specific surface. So let's try this and see how it goes. Now you are going to want to dab this on a little thicker because we are ombreing it. So we want a little bit of extra so that we can pull it down and swirl it in. Hey everybody! See more people. And actually more people that aren't my husband. So, now we're going to do, maybe I should do a little bit more. How are you doing today? I'm Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. I'm a chalk tour designer. Been with the company almost 2 years. If you would like info, hashtag info in the comments. Now I'm going to do the yellow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bottom part first, and then I'm going to come up and do the top, and then we'll mix it in together. Just makes it easier, because then I can pull up the bottom before it dries in the transfer. And it's that easy. You just pull it on through. And this can go on anywhere. If you're using it on t-shirts or anything, you will want to use ink and heat set it. Make sure that it does not come off, because the paste is removable, and if it's on a shirt and you wash it, it will wash off. These are water-soluble chalk pastes, so there's that. So now we're just going to have a whole bunch of the yellow down here that we're going to mix in with the red to make our ombre technique. And do the bottom of the letters though. Make sure I fully get those. And pulling it all in together. I'm going to use my finger. And we're going to pull it down, and we're just going to swirl it together. And the more you swirl in the colors, the more they're going to mix and make really pretty. Oh, I need to put a little bit more yellow over here because it's Got a lot of red. Not as much yellow as I thought. I haven't really used the ombre technique before for myself. I've seen others do it, so I decided today is gonna be the day I'm gonna try it. I like the hot mess technique. I've been using that since almost day one. That's where you lob it on in a whole bunch of different places, and then you just drag it on down. This is a little different. So, oh, I didn't pull up the boundaries part first. Oops. Alright, let's do that. Hey Michelle, how are you, honey? I'll make that's a little more ombre. I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Alright, so now I'm going to lift this up. Put this down. So we're all done with it. And that was our sign. Nice and easy little project. If you didn't get to see that fully, you can check out the replay. I have to go wash this off. But thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you on Monday, because today is Friday. Woohoo! Is anybody doing anything fun for the weekend? Let me know in the comments. Oh, that scared me. I looked down and there's a sun shining on my leg. I thought I dumped the yellow on my leg. That really scared me. I mean, it's still washable, but that would have been bad. Okay, so I'm going to head out and give myself no more heart attacks for today because that was scary. It's okay. I'm ending. And I will see you guys on Monday. Ooh, my face is going all sorts of colors there. Nothing fun. Oh, I'm sorry, Michelle. Well, maybe if I feel inclined, I might come live. Break up your guys' weekend. I don't know. Every time I say I'm going to do it, something normally comes up. So don't hold me to it. I will see you on Monday, if not before. Bye, guys.